how to add the world clock widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. First, let's return back to your lock screen by pressing on the side button here. And on the lock screen, we touch and hold. Then tap on the Customize button. Now in here, tap on the widget panel. Then scroll down and tap on clock. Then make sure you are at the world clock widget and then tap on it. Then tap on the close button. Here you can tap on the widget to select a city. Here, just tap on that and then replace with the city that you want to use. You can use the search button down here, or you can scroll through the list. And once you are happy, just tap on the close button. And that's it. And then tap up here, tap on done to save the changes. And on your lock screen now, it will show the time of other cities. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.